I got a lot going on. Y'all see this like right here on here? This is from the oil for, you know how you have to put grease basically as your new tattoo is healing. Well, now I got it all over my shirt. Okay, hey gorgeous ones. So we're gonna talk about my lock update and my fail. I had all these great intentions, but I failed, y'all. I failed, I tell you. So let's just talk about it. I'm not doing no intros and trying to come back and all that stuff. So let's just talk about what happened with my locks this month. So my locks were going well, doing really good, looking nice. I'm going to insert a picture right here of my locks in the 2 months and how they were looking good. And then I quit my job because it was too stressful. It's a whole talk. I should do a chatty get ready with me about my damn leaving my job. But anyway, so I said, well, you know, I'm going to do it. You know, I can do this. I can make it happen. I can do my locks this month. So I said, I'm going to go ahead and wash them because my scalp, you know, my scalp was feeling a little itchy. And it was just, you know, time to wash. It was about a month in. So I went, I had my wig cap. Insert the pictures right here. Have my wig cap on. And I'm going to wash my hair. So I, you know, I watered, got in the shower, put the water on, did all that, washed it. And then I was done and I took a picture. Hey, I did it. Because I was trying, and I actually had some little clips of footage. But, yeah, okay. So then I said, so now next up is I am going to twist my hair up for the day and put the pins in because we have them here because my daughter has locks. So she does this all the time. I see her every couple of weeks. She goes in and washes her hair and then she twists it up, puts her clips on, goes to sleep or whatever, takes the clips out. She's Gucci. Ain't that how y'all say it? She Gucci. So I decided to do it. And I did do it. Insert picture right here. See, I got the clips in. I done it. I sat up. I was up until 2 o'clock in the morning twisting my hair. I decided to wash my hair about 10 o'clock at night. So I'm up until about 2 a.m. doing my hair. Next morning, I take it out. And I notice it's not looking the same way that it looked when they did my hair. Now, I wasn't expecting it to be just like it, but I was expecting some similarities. And my hair is not similar to the way my hair looked. So we're going to talk about what happened and what I got to do now. Because my locks, they're gone. Okay, so here's what we're going to, so now let's talk about it. So here's the issue. So I use this locking cream, Jamaican mango lime locking cream wax that my daughter uses on her hair. But of course hers are 4 years old. She's got a slightly different texture hair than me, you know. But so that, you know. But then so I think that my hair needs something a little thicker. So now I've gone out and got this Murray's cream. So here's what's going on. If you see now my locks that were the ones that I didn't get split last month. If you watch the lock update from last month, you'll see these are fine to a certain extent, you know, because they were already locking. So they're nice and butted up and they've got the whole, I don't know if you can see it, but they're nice and thick and they're, you know, they're doing their thing. Now, of course, now the problem is the ones on the top, which I had split. Well, they hadn't really butted up that well. And when I put the water on them, that just separated them. So they were just hanging little pieces of hair. So now I'm trying to twist them up. And so some of them are sort of twisted, but not really. And now the other thing is when she did it straight back and it was all straight back and all nice. Well, these were all willy-nilly over my head because that's the only way I could get them done. I couldn't get them all to go straight back because so I was, some went this way, you know, the front I did this way, side going to the sides, and then the back went back. But the problem is that, let me show y'all. Some of these babies ain't twisted at all. There's just hair hanging. My friend said, well, you got really cute ringlets. But it's like there's nothing. You see that? That's just all hair. Ain't a lock, ain't a bud, ain't nothing. And I have quite a few like this. So, you know, and twisting and I ain't gonna do a damn thing because there's nothing going on. They're just there. They're just like little ringlets now. They're no longer locks. I just got little ringlets of hair hanging out. So now, but I have to keep them separated because I don't want them to all catch up with each other. And I'm trying to keep all my nice little parts, you know. So now what I have to do is I have to take this Murray's Cream beeswax because we decided that perhaps I needed something with beeswax in it because this doesn't have any beeswax in it. I need something a little, you know, thicker to hold my hair in place. And I didn't want to go with 100% beeswax because I just thought, no, I don't want to do that. That's just too much. So I grabbed this Murray's Cream beeswax because it has beeswax in it. It's got shea butter in it. It's got some good stuff for my hair. Some safflower seed oil, some tea tree oil, a little, what else did I see? Vitamin E. You know, it's got a lot of stuff in here that will hopefully help my hair stay in place. So now what I have to do is, now I have to, you know, take my sections of hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sections of hair and I'm going to wet them really thoroughly, and then I'm going to re-wax and pin them with this. And I'm going to let them sit for at least 12 hours because I don't have a dryer in my house. I need to buy one because she, you know, she doesn't use it. And then with my natural hair, I really wasn't using a lot of heat on my hair. But so I don't have a dryer. So I can't just stick it under the dryer and let them dry really quickly. So I'm just going to leave the damn things in like that. And we're going to see, can I fix this? If not, I'm going to have to find $100 to go get my hair done. And she going to talk about me, y'all, because this is a fail. All right, so that was y'all 3-month lock update. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Because listen, it's not all gonna be peaches and cream. Hair does what it wants to do, and my hair decided it wasn't gonna do what I wanted it to do. So that's it. That's all, and I'm signing off. So you all have a great day, and may life treat you kind. Oh, and if you're new and you've made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. See you later.